Spring is back on GP Outdoors. Okay, let's take a quick break from the video. It's time for our question for the 10,000 subscriber milestone giveaway contest. This is question number 7. On video number 88 on my channel, my good friend Guy and myself decided to do a comparison between the Brave dual split 20-ton and a well-known brand 22-ton single split. In that video, we both started with the same number of maple rounds, and we had to split them to see who could split them faster. How many pieces of wood did we split in that contest? Good luck to everyone. Have a wonderful week with your families. Let's get back to the video. Cheers. Wow, what a beautiful day. Spring is definitely here. Tractor Van 44, we don't have the flowers up with the blooms yet, but they're definitely on their way. I had a wonderful day today. I've been looking forward to this all winter. Really nice to get out, finally get the chainsaw and some of the summer tools out. We got this maple down. It was awfully close to the cabin. I don't like cutting down trees until they're totally standing dead. This guy was pretty dead because there wasn't much on it last year, but I could definitely tell by the way it was swaying in the wind over the last couple of months that it was on its way. So we cut her down, and sure enough, the middle of it was rotted out. So I kind of had a feeling it was pretty much time to get her down. Got the logs back here to where I want to split them and stack them. So I think what I'm going to do is take the rest of the afternoon. I'm going to finish blocking this wood. And then I think tomorrow, I'm going to grab the Brave 20-ton dual split. I'm going to bring her back here. We'll split this up, stack it up for my father-in-law for the fall. And then I've got to grab those branches, pick up my Beco wood chipper from Farmer Equipment Sales, and we're going to start making our chips because I'm going to need them for the trails this summer. Thanks so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the channel, please click subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want to know when I'm posting videos, just click that little bell. Have a wonderful week with your families. I'll see you on another sunny day here at GP Outdoors. Cheers.